It is worse when it's during rainy season because the road is muddy. A lot of time is wasted because we are spending the whole day getting the drugs. If the patient is so serious, can die.
I had a personal interest in drone for a long time for filming and photography. And then a few years ago I saw an opportunity to combine personal interest with getting medical supplies out to the rural areas.
With the drones, we will make things easier. It will be very fast. Very soon, it brings what it is required to save the patient.